Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouth water, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing sauce.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make Mexican white rice. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 1.5 cups of long grain white rice, which you want to rinse off thoroughly, and you want to let it dry out for 30 minutes. We also need 3 cups of water, 1/2 small onion chopped, 1/2 of a chile serrano chopped, 1 large garlic clove minced, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of butter, 2 teaspoons of chicken bouillon, and also I'm using 1/2 teaspoon of garlic, but the recipe calls for 1/2 teaspoon of garlic salt. I'm watching our salt intake, so you guys are welcome to use the garlic salt. And also we're going to need 1 cup of mixed vegetables, and they have to be thawed out. Okay guys, now I'm going to bring my pan up to temperature. We're going to add in our olive oil, and also our tablespoon of butter, and all you want to do is let that butter melt. Once the butter has melted, we're going to add our onion in, our serrano, and also our minced garlic. And we're just going to go ahead and move that around. Okay guys, next you want to go ahead and add your rice in. Mix that well, and we're going to let that saute for about 2 minutes. Okay guys, after 2 minutes you want to go ahead and add your water in. Go ahead and give that a mix. Now you want to add your garlic powder or your garlic salt, whichever you're going to choose to use, and also your chicken bouillon. And we're going to mix that. Okay guys, at this time you can go ahead and give it a taste, and if you need to add any more salt, this is the time to do it. So now we're going to add in our mixed vegetables. We're going to mix that in, and all we're going to do is bring it to a simmer. Okay guys, once it comes to a simmer, all we're going to do now is reduce the heat to the lowest setting possible, and we're going to place a piece of aluminum foil, on top, and we're going to cover it with our lid. Make sure it's nice and tight. Remember, reduce your heat to the lowest setting. And we're going to let it cook for 15 minutes. Now guys, please do not remove your lid until the 15 minutes is up. Okay guys, once your 15 minutes is up, still do not uncover it. All you want to do is turn off your heat, and you want to let it set for 10 minutes. Okay guys, it's 10 minutes. I'm going to remove the top. And all we're going to do is just go ahead and fluff up our rice and mix our vegetables through. Okay guys, so here we have it, our Mexican rice. And guys, this is the best tasting Mexican rice ever. It's so full of flavor. You can eat it with chicken or shrimp or whatever you want on the side with it. Or you can just eat it as is. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.